Today I want to show you one of my experience about the ask and bid price in the chart when New York time frame is at the end, and time in the New York is around 16:32 minutes. As you see, I had a DMD1 POI. I wait price came back to the zone, and in the 1 minute I saw this setup. There is a change of character and price break it as a QMR, and I was around this area, okay, but I enter to the position as you see in this when price was around this area, yeah. But when I start to take a position, I saw something very bad. Price open in this area. There is a many different, this area and this area. So when you want to trade, you should use this one, show ask price line, okay. As you see, this one is ask price and this one is bid price, so you should be very careful. I expect price start from here, and I can take a profit till this area as my target. But when I enter to the position, as you see, it's open very higher than my expected area. Can you see? I want to show you how pip around 4 pip is different between them. Okay, just that I want to show you and read about ask and bid price. Let me explain more about the ask and bid. One of the first thing every trader should understand is difference between the bid price and the ask price. The bid price is the highest price that buyers are willing to pay. When you want to sell, your order is executed at the bid price, okay. The ask price is the lowest price that sellers are willing to accept when you want to buy. Your order is executed at the ask price. The difference between these two prices is called the spread, so we should be careful about the spread. For example, if the bid price is 1.250 and the ask price is 1.2502, the spread is 2 pips. This means that when you open a buy position, you immediately enter at the ask price, but if you close it right away, it will be closed at the bid price. That's why a new trade usually starts with the small unrealized loss equal to the spread. Understanding the bid and the ask price is essential because they affect your entries, exit, stop loss, and take profit levels. Okay, have a good time. I will show you more experiences about the market, and we will grow together.